Hey, what's going on, you guys? I found a spot to sit and chill by some water. I'm somewhere new. I normally don't walk around this park. This is a new park, but there's a cool little tree thing hanging here, and that's a spot right there in the water under the tree. There's a cool little path leading to. I'm sitting on a tree right now. It's like perfectly shaped like a chair, the roots of the tree. And there were some ducks. I don't know where they went. They might be about to swoop back down. I saw some turtles popping their heads out, and there's some fish. I can see. Oh, there's a little baby turtle right there. You see that little fish? That, there's a fish right there too. A couple fish. There was a turtle. Where did it? That's a big fish. Oh, there's a fly buzzing around now. But yeah, the main view of this place is out that way. It's just a small little park. There's people like walking along this part. That's the way I gotta go to get back to my car. But yeah, see this tree with this beautiful chair shaped. I don't know, I call it chair shaped because it's perfect for my butt. So yeah, we're gonna sit here and stare at our little spot, and hopefully nobody walks by and makes us feel awkward. Somebody walked by and made me feel awkward, and then it took me like 5 minutes to regain myself to start talking again. But yeah, that almost looks like a turtle right there, but it's just a coffee stain. No, it's a log or something. The roots of a tree slightly jutting out. I don't know where all the fish went. Oh, they're still right there. I don't know if you could see the little fish swimming around in there. Little like minnows and stuff. No ducks. There were a whole bunch of ducks. I must have scared them away or something. Vile creature that I am. There was another dude walking. I tried not to get him on camera. Nobody actually cares, but I still have that teenage mentality that everybody's looking when they're not looking. I just got done with my magnet therapy. Did I say that already? Yesterday it kind of hurt. They put the helmet on wrong and it was shocking my eyeball and making my jaw twitch. But then they moved it back on my head a little bit and that helped. And today it was no problem. And there's a long weekend because she's not going to be there tomorrow. The lady's real cute that does it too. But she's got a fiance, so as they all do. I don't even know how that would work anyway. It's like when you're like a client, you can't just be like, hey, by the way, while you're healing my brain, you want to go on a date sometime? You can't really do it like that. Plus, I think there's laws and stuff. Because technically it's like doctor-patient. Unless that's just like teacher-student. I don't know. But those fish are still there. Still no ducks. More people coming and walking. But yeah, this is my little spot. I should have packed a lunch. I got nothing to say, so I'm going to turn it off now. The duck has come. Anyway, back to the tree spot with the wind blowing. Sometimes you just gotta sit here. Hey, look, the ducks are coming. Hello, ducks. There's a guy fishing over there, too. Let's stare at him. No, I'm just kidding. The ducks are on the move. It looks like they're just cruising along like boats, but they're kicking their feet. Goodbye, Mr. Ducks. Bye, buddy. Welp, and there they go. That's called watching ducks. Sometimes you gotta do that instead of playing video games. Because the video games are boring, man. There's like none of them that catch my interest anymore. I've just been like going to the gym after my magnet therapy and then going to bed. Hey, there's like some ripples going on over there. Why do I keep saying like? What's going on over here? Had to leave the lake because fisherman guy, but yeah, we're just driving home now. Excuse me, Mr. Truck. Yep, near Athens, Georgia. That's where we are. Kind of, not really. It's still a ways away to get there. J.R. Schugel. Whatever the heck that is. It's hot, man. 81 degrees, and without the air going, it's really hot. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some food, and I will talk to you later, I guess.